So guys, you saw the title and thumbnail of today's video, and that says the first look of the iPhone 9. Yes guys, this video is not at all the clickbait. In today's video, we have with us the best news regarding the iPhone 9. Okay, I am very lucky and grateful for myself because I'm the first person on YouTube to cover this. I today only made a video that should you buy the iPhone XR or should you buy the iPhone 9, and after uploading it, this is the best news possible. So guys, I want to be the first to cover this news. So guys, sit back and relax and let's get started. So guys, the number one factor which I want to say, like before 4 days we got an image, as you can see, that this is how the possible look of the iPhone 9 is going to be. And now this news is coming straight away from China, in which you can see there is a store. Okay, the store's name is KT. This is the service provider store in China. Okay, how Jio is there in India, how AT&T is there in United States. Okay, this is a cellular providing smartphone, the courier store. And in this store, as you can see, there is a banner outside the store telling that you will get free pair of AirPods with the iPhone 9. And this store is a reliable one. How Jio is in India and how AT&T is in America, this is just how that is in China. So guys, as you can see, there is a banner outside the store that tell about the Samsung Galaxy S20 and the iPhone 9. And as you can see in this banner itself, we have with us the clear picture of the iPhone 9. And this is very interesting because the thing you're getting here is an exact similar iPhone XR like design. Okay, there is going to be the single camera, below that there is going to be the microphone, and below that there is going to be the flash. So guys, I have discussed plenty of things regarding the iPhone 9, and getting like this news is pretty unexpected. Okay, the KT store is a certified and a well-reputed store in China which has a banner outside it telling about the Samsung Galaxy S20 and the iPhone 9. Okay, this store has a sale going on and they say that you will get a AirPods free on the pre-orders of the iPhone 9, and this makes it clear that this is how the iPhone 9 is going to be looking like, and it is going to be coming soon. Okay, in the later part of the March month itself, Apple is going to be launching the smartphone, and from the first and the second week of April, this smartphone will be publicly available. So guys, as you can see in this photograph, the body design is kind of similar to the iPhone XR, but the difference is the Apple logo is in the exact center of the iPhone, and the front is going to be exactly similar to the iPhone 8. So guys, in today's video, I wanted to give you this latest news, and also if you have not yet checked out my today's video, I have taken such a big amount of efforts to tell you that should you buy the iPhone XR or the iPhone 9. So guys, hope you have liked today's video. If you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then please consider subscribing to our channel, as it really motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.